Hi, so welcome to Agri Pharma channel. So today we are going to discuss about the continuation of remaining questions in pharmaceutical jurisprudence. Okay, so these questions are important and these questions are asked from various states pharmacy examinations. Okay, so and these questions will be also asked in competitive exams. So today we have seen in remaining parts. Okay, that is this video is part 2. If you don't see the part 1, so this part 1 video is given in the description box, so click the link and see the part 1 video. Okay, so let's enter into the video. So first, that is 27th question, objectives of RTI Act. Okay, that is Rights to Information Act. So what is the objective? That is the question. So objective, which means so why and what the reason for this act will be uh, established. Okay, that is objectives. So that is 27th question. Okay, 28. So what is drug consultative committee? Okay, so what is drug consultative committee? That is there are two boards or two committees, that is DTAB and DCC. Okay, that is drug consultative committee. So this drug consultative committee will give the advice to the DTAB, that is drug technical advisory board. Okay, so these two boards are united together and give their actions to maintain the drug and cosmetics. Okay, so this is the 28th question. 29, what is Hathi committee? Okay, so Hathi will form the committee and what this committee will do. Okay, that is Hathi committee, and this committee will use to increases or used to establish the role of pharmacist as by means of education as well as the professions. Okay, that is Hathi committee. Next, 30th question, define trademark as per IPR. Okay, that is intellectual property rights. Okay, define trademark, that is the 30th question. 31, labeling requirements for schedule G with the specimen label. Okay, so what are the instructions will be provided in the schedule G drugs containing labels? Okay, that is 31st question. Schedule G, which means so these drugs are taken by means of only under supervision. Okay, that is hormonal preparations. So other preparations are comes under schedule G will be taken only in supervisions of registered medical practitioner or any other registered one. Okay, that is schedule G and it is 31st question. Next, that is 32, describe the places where pregnancy may be terminated. Okay, so places. Okay, places, which means so what are the registered or recognized place, and that place only the pregnancy will be terminated. So where are the places? Okay, so these places will be give the approval from that particular committee, and what are the other requirements for the places to be terminating the pregnancy. Okay, that is 32nd question. Next, that is 33, define copyright. Okay, so what is copyright? That is this comes under the class of intellectual property right. Okay, so copyright, it means if you can copy the rights of the other. Okay, that is you can violating the patent or you can copy the others works, that is called as copyright. So that is 33. 34th question, so write the qualification of drug inspector. Okay, so drug inspector, it's a very attractive job, that is government job for the pharmacist. And what is the qualification of drug inspector? So you can have or you can register as a pharmacist in India and you have the experience of minimum 18 months in the productions of schedule C drugs. Okay, so these are the qualifications of that is minimum requirement for the qualification of drug inspector. Okay, so next, 35th question, ex officio members of PCI. Okay, so there are 8 ex officio members will be constituted in the PCI. So and that is the question. So next, that is 36th question, what about first register? Okay, so this comes under the registration, that is central registration, first registration, subsequent registration. So these are the register which carry the informations of registered pharmacist. Okay, that is 36th question. 37, write note on CDSCO. Okay, that is CDSCO means Central Drug Standard Control Organization. Okay, so this organization will ensure the standards of drugs and this can approval or this can approve the drugs for the selling. Okay, so there is the 37th question. Next, 38, mention the offenses and penalties under NDPS Act. Okay, NDPS means that is narcotic drug and psychotropic substance. So this is NDPS. So this is one of the major act, okay. So and it is a very punishable act also. That is one of the punishable act also, okay. And you can done any mistake in that field, you can punishable for up to 10 to 15 years minimum, okay. That is very dangerous act also, okay. That is 38th question. That is what are the offences and penalties under NDPS act, okay. 39th question. Define trade secret under IPR, okay. Trade secret is one of the major one, and it comes under IPR, that is intellectual property rights, okay. So it is 39th question. 40, that is what do you mean by MAPME, that is MAPE, okay. That is maximum allowable post manufacturing expenses, okay. So it is one of the inside question, that is it comes under the formula, that is calculation of retail price, okay. That is maximum allowable post manufacturing expenses. So that is abbreviation for MAPE. And what do you know about it, okay. That is the 40th question. Next 41, okay. Name the two government opium factories, okay. So government opium factories, that is Neemaj and Kasipur, okay. That is two factories. So 41st question is over. Next 42nd, that is define schedule P and J, okay. Schedule P and Schedule J. What is Schedules P and Schedule J? That is the question. So Schedule P, that is period, that is life period of drugs, okay. That is Schedule P. Schedule J, which means the drugs, it does not cure the disease, okay. So but it can use it to control the spreading of disease, that is Schedule J drugs. Next, that is 43. Define pharmaceutical jurisprudence. So it is a simple and basic question. And it is a repeated question also, okay. So next 44, give examples for narcotic substance. So opium, coca, hemp. So these are the habit forming drugs. I also write in that, okay. That is coca, opium, hemp. So these are the major narcotic drugs, okay. Next 45, full form of CPCSEA and ISEC, okay. So we also discussed it in that part 1 video, that is CPCSEA, which means committee for the purpose for controlling and supervision of experimental animals, okay. That is CPCSEA full form. IIEC, that is Institute of Animal Ethics Committee, okay. So IIEC is one of the substitute for that CPCSEA. So and both are unite together and give the permission to that experimental animals and control the usage of experimental animals, okay. Next 46th question, define the term poison, okay. So that is the question. So 46th question, okay. So next 47th question, so differentiate between drugstore and pharmacy, okay. So pharmacy is a drug dispensing area, okay. So in that pharmacy we can sell the drugs. Drugstore, that means it will use it to store the tablets or medicines, okay. That is drugstore. So these are the difference between drugstore and pharmacy. Next 48, name any 4 psychotropic substance, okay. So we also use that, okay. There is opium, coca, hemp, these are narcotic drugs. Like that, psychotropic substances also that. These drugs are produces psychosis, that is mental illness, okay. That is psychosis. So there are many drugs are available, and these drugs are form the psychosis, okay. So any 4 psychotropic substance will be asked in 48th question. So these are the majorly asked questions in all over the India, okay, and very important as well as repeated questions in pharmaceutical jurisprudence. So and I hope so this video is useful to understand the 2 marks and the types of 2 marks in pharmaceutical jurisprudence in 5th semester B Pharm all over the India, okay. So kindly share this video to your friends and finally subscribe our channel and click the bell icon near the subscribe button and get the notification earlier, okay. Thank you for watching.